This is DITW, Anatomy and Physiology, and you are watching the video on the endocrine system. The endocrine system is a group of glands spread across the entire body which regulates many different functions. The term endocrine simply means a gland that is capable of secreting hormones into the blood. The major glands of the endocrine system includes the pineal gland, the thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, the pancreas, the adrenal gland, the testes and ovaries, or collectively known as the gonads, and the pituitary gland. Although these glands are typically what we cite as the major endocrine glands, be aware there are more parts of the body with endocrine abilities. Even the liver and heart have glands that secrete hormones. Hormones are released into the bloodstream where they travel all over the body. Some of these hormones have specific target cells they affect, while some hormones can affect many different cells across the body. Let's look at each major endocrine system gland to get a general understanding of the hormones they release to see how they affect the human body. The pineal gland is involved in the control of your circadian rhythm, which is a rhythm your body establishes to control energy and sleep patterns with a day and night cycle. The pineal gland controls this through the secretion of a hormone called melatonin. The thyroid gland secretes hormones T3, triiodothyronine, and T4, thyroxine, and calcitonin. T3 and T4 are involved in controlling your basal metabolic rate, which is your energy usage in a state of rest. And calcitonin promotes bone growth and regulates levels of calcium in your blood by stimulating bone-building cells, known as osteoblasts, to use more calcium, and inhibits bone-breaking cells, which are known as osteoclasts. The parathyroid gland is a set of 4 glands located right behind the thyroid gland that is also involved in regulating calcium levels by releasing a hormone called parathyroid hormone. Parathyroid hormone has the opposite action to calcitonin, in which it inhibits the activity of the bone-building cells, osteoblasts, and increases activity of osteoclasts in order to increase calcium levels in the blood. The pancreas is an endocrine gland located right behind the stomach. It releases hormones insulin and glucagon, which are involved in regulating blood sugar levels. It also releases somatostatin and pancreatic polypeptide, which both play roles in inhibiting digestive activities and intestinal motility. The adrenal glands, also known as the suprarenal glands, are located right above your kidneys. The adrenal glands release hormones which are involved in regulating stress responses, blood pressure, electrolyte balance, metabolism, and the immune system. The secretion of the hormones epinephrine, also known as adrenaline, or norepinephrine, noradrenaline, are released as part of a sympathetic nervous system response to a threat, which involves increasing blood pressure, blood sugar, heart rate, and dilating the pupils. The testes and the ovaries produce the hormones testosterone and estrogen, respectively. Both hormones play a role in the development of male and female sexual organs and secondary characteristics like body/facial hair and muscle mass. The pituitary gland is a 2-lobed gland that's located in the brain. The 2 lobes are called the anterior and posterior pituitary glands. These glands secrete hormones that aid in growth and body development, blood pressure, breast milk production, and more. The pituitary gland has the unique capability to secrete hormones that control the secretion of other hormones by other glands. For example, the anterior pituitary gland releases adrenocorticotropic hormone, which stimulates the adrenal gland to release cortisol, epinephrine, and norepinephrine. If you are interested in learning more about anatomy and physiology, then please watch one of the recommended videos above. If you found this helpful, please leave a like on this video by hitting the thumbs up button down below. And if you have any suggestions for videos, please let me know. And make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to know when new videos become available. Keep learning, keep growing.